Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text align and the text direction. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS text align last property along with the center value. The text align last property specifies how to align the last line of a text. Don't you forget that. And right here we are going to be doing what? We are going to be align this using our center value. Back to our document, as you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS align last right with right property, and this is our CSS align justify content. As you can see, justify CSS align justify. This one we specified CSS align and we gave it value of justify. That's why we have all this and even all this also. But right now we have changed this using our CSS align last property using right value. As you can see right here, we're having this our CSS align last property. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to give it align to the center. When I specify center right here, I save our document and I reload. Can you see what happens? This last text right here also is the one we are targeting. See the way it's changed now. It shifts to the center. Let me bring it back to the right. Previously we discussed about the right. When I put it at the right side now, can you see it shifts to the right completely. So if you love this tutorial, let's meet in the next. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Peace and love. Bye bye.